Welcome to An American Accent. This is the last video in a series of 12 videos where I group irregular verbs by their pronunciation rather than spelling. So similar sounds will be grouped together. I refer to the Color Vowel Chart by Taylor and Thompson to describe those vowels. And a vowel like A is called black because black has A in it. So here, the first group, there are two verbs that have A, like black, in both the simple past and the past participle. Have, had, had. Sit, sat, sat. And then there are two verbs that have the U, as in would, in the simple past and past participle. Stand, stood, stood, and understand, understood, understood. And then silver and silver in the two forms in the past. And then white, silver, silver, like hide, hid, hidden, and light, lit, lit. And then two verbs that actually all have A, like gray. Make, made, made, lay, laid, laid. And an odd one out. It has E in it, like green, green. Beat, beat, beaten. I hope these videos have really helped you. If you have any suggestions for things you would like me to cover, please put it in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time.